We are setting up this treatment using the black nozzle and the 30-second treatment time. Take your black nozzle and screw it into the Subzero cryotherapy device. Next, you will open up the valve on the CO2 tank. Once that is open, you will push the power button on the device and choose the mode you would like. The first option is the 30-second treatment time. You can change the nozzle and treatment time to best fit your goals and outcomes. Here we are performing the treatment on the upper back of the patient. We are using the black nozzle and the 30-second treatment time as described in the video prior. We are focusing on the upper back, including the trapezius, levator scapula, the rhomboids, posterior deltoid, and the infra and supraspinatus muscles. Pay attention to the blue light during the treatment, indicating that we have reached the therapeutic temperature on the patient's skin. We are maintaining a consistent distance and moving slowly over the target areas.